In today's video, we are going to make this title slide in 1 minute using a simple trick. Create a blank slide, go to Insert, and insert a text box. Put 15 dashes into this text box. Select the text, go to Shape Format, click Text Effects, select Transform, and select this one. You need to increase the size of these dashes in order to fit them in the slide. Now select these dashes one by one. Right-click, go to Format Text Effect, give these dashes a picture or texture fill. Now insert the text, and adjust it as you want. Set these dashes within the slide. Now go to Animations, select Wipe Animation, click Effect option and set from left. Set duration to 150. Here you are done with this amazing title slide. If you like this tutorial, you can subscribe to get more.